Let's create this scene. Text, track to an object. And to do that, let's start from the beginning. So go ahead and delete everything. Select a clip. I already selected part of my clip, clicking I and O for in and out. And instead of dragging it, hit E. Now it's in your timeline. And that's not very stable. So let's go up to the video inspector, hit stabilize. I like the look personally of inertia cam usually, and we don't need to be too accurate right here. We just want it smooth, so boost it all the way up. Now you're going to see that it's rendering with the dots. Rendering's done, and it's one heck of a lot smoother. Now hit Command 4, Command 7, so that hides the color waveforms. Now we just have our timeline in viewer. Time for the good stuff, tracking text. So let's get some text. Hit Option Command 1. Yep. And move your cursor of the timeline to the beginning. And instead of taking your basic title and bringing down your clip, what should you do? Well, just drag it onto the object, and yes, it is exactly that easy. It's kind of insane. And there we go. For whatever reason, it doesn't match up to the clip length. I don't know why the title, maybe it's just too short, but make sure at the beginning, make sure the title is the same length as the clip, and click on the title. Go ahead and make sure that it's where you want it to be, and make sure it's labeled. Whoops, make sure it's labeled. Clicking Command 4, there we go. And going to the little paragraph lines, I'm going to name this Peace Lily, fittingly. Let's go ahead. You might have to move this out of the way just for a second. That, move your tracker back onto your object and click Analyze. Extremely fast analyzing if you have a M1 chip or an M2 at this point. So let's go ahead and click Done. Go to the beginning. And that's seriously it. If you came from an editing background and you know about doing frame by frame tracking or even early tracking, this is insanely fast.